The work in our videos is carried out by an expert. All explanations as well as executions are only a recommendation of the providers.
In this video we would like to show you how to clean your EKW series. Please note that the replacement is only an illustration and may differ slightly from your product. Turn off the machine. Remove the screws on the right and left of the machine with a screwdriver. Pull the front panel of the machine outwards and remove it. If there is ice in the storage cabinet, empty all the ice. Check whether the pool inside the machine is full of water. If not, fill the pool with water. Add the cleaning solution to the pool and stir. Press the green button and start the machine, then press the red button of the machine for 9 seconds. When the machine goes into cleaning mode, the red light will turn on for 3 seconds and turn off for 1 second. Meanwhile, add water to the pool 3 times as the water in the pool will constantly run out. Make sure that the pool does not become dehydrated. Turn off the machine when the water in the pool runs out. Clean the inside of the pool with a cloth. To prevent rust from forming on the machine, wipe the wet sheet metal parts with a dry cloth. Replace the front panel. Replace the screws you removed on the right and left sides. Press the green button and start the machine. Throw away all the ice the machine has produced during 3 cycles,